Ministry, who is conducting an ongoing meeting on my behalf. Myself and the Home Minister, we left the meeting. Kan Home Minister, Kesap Nagate, kan Home Secretary, kan Transport Secretary, kan DCP, Pusarat Agarwal IPS, Kuvanlal Fakaral, MPS AIG, kan Police Officer, Home Department, kan Officer, Media Lama Toktu, Voina Local Com, Chiendu Tak, Voina Hian, Police Modernization Scheme Trangali, lirthei thar zani som pakua, kan vailiamna turhi tilongom le chinsetla taknin kefria. Central Sarkar Scheme, Assistance to State, Annuities for Modernization of Police, assume tia kan soy maitrin atanga kandon ania. Kan fan mo zong hi state share 10% tetelvakin crore somlile pali point panga pathum ania. Heng singa crore somthum point pali panga hi a project wiber lirthei leinan man ania. Adang hi police thuam sangna man ruwa chifrang leinan man ani. Kumsang hi som pasari khan asum atralei an lirthei lamchi leihi Central Sarkar hian aron khap to a. Kan police ten lirthei lama harsan nan tok so ta a. Lirthei an mamo tu hi Assembly House lama te po soirik ani china. Kan mamo ziate war taka soi chungin ni kum khan action plan kan thelu ta a. Kan DCP Pusarat Agarwal hian thei top soina bo suya. Unrei tak anlo phal to lo thil kha minon phal sakta ani. Technical thila harsatna kan ne wangin Mizoram hian Police Modernization Scheme hi kumsang ni som ni pakatatang khan kan dong to lo shima kan sarkara kan han muthal le ta hi alom omin achin sia thla ka kan Home Minister le thopui te chunga hian kan lom le ni. Today is a historic day for Mizoram as we are going to flag off 219 new vehicles for the Mizoram Police Department. These newly inducted vehicles would significantly improve mobility, efficiency, and response capabilities of our police during emergencies and other critical situations. These vehicles have been procured under the central government scheme of Assistance to State and Duties for Modernization of Police, ASSUM, popularly known as Police Modernization Scheme for the year 2025-26. 17 different categories of vehicles ranging from EV scooter, electric scooter, light motor vehicles, buses for HMV trucks, totaling to 219 have been procured. Due to technical difficulties, we have not received any funds under the Police Modernization Scheme since 2021. Our DCP, Sri Sarat Agarwal, has worked incredibly hard regarding the funds we received under these modernization schemes. It is entirely due to his initiatives that they even made a special exception for us to purchase these vehicles despite an existing regulation that prohibits it. We are very grateful to him. Karpa Samel Khan, New Delhi, Apu Amit Shah, Union Home Minister Nen Kanin Koma, Tilchi Frank Kan Soiduna, any state Dang Song Song Ten security related expenditure and online Mizoramin and Dong Velova. Cybercrime donatule drugs kalruk donata na kanman vetur. SRE Fund min paturin kadila. Mase PM Divine Lama Project Runtelu Zokla Kalo Bozui Sakanse Minlo Tia Hehi Kan Bozui Ngala Tin Atuka Niti Ayok meeting kan nilia Hei Bok Hikasay Swak Lea Ral Muang Lovin Poisa Andunga Ral Muang State Min Pevedu Lova don ve kan du chuan in boy na kan sia ve mai tu po alangai mai o me ka tia kan chairman kan no please don't do that kan nui hamang nge ni tin ral tlan ti som dong na po kan deal chu po chu bu fai vai bel se som man hu min pek le tu min sila home ministry hian kan har san na hi min hetiam china kan thil dil te an ngai sak thin le ani during my meeting with the Union Home Minister Sri Amit Shah in New Delhi last week, I requested the inclusion of Mizoram under the security-related expenditure scheme, while other northeastern states receive these funds. Mizoram has long been excluded due to its peaceful environment. I urge him to grant us assistance to combat drug trafficking and cybercrime. Instead of the ISRE scheme, the Home Minister advised me to submit a proposal under PM Divine for these efforts. And we have a second thought, and instead of making a proposal from under this PM Divine, we try to accommodate under the Focus 2.0 this year. Additionally, regarding assistance for refugees in Mizoram, he assured me that worth 10 crore in the form of rice will be granted. I've been informed by the DCP that all 44 police stations in Mizoram are going to receive one new light motor vehicle, and all the 15 police outposts will have at least one vehicle after this flag off. These new vehicles are also being allotted to armed battalions, specialized units, and police training school. This will make the movement of police easier and more efficient than before. Today's vehicles flag off program is not just about flagging off vehicles. It is a step forward in our efforts to ensure efficient service to the public. I hope our police will continue to ensure the safety and security of our citizens. Lirthei thar nong tu ten duat takin lo en kol ula athar dang han le mai te hi ar sa thina umrei tak man the and tum thak don nia hello me thank you.